For the longest time, I was obsessed with having an order and routine in my life, and I figured there had to be a right way to do everything. I even got my morning cup of coffee down to a strict method. Pre wet the filter, you add 15 grams of coffee exactly, give the sides a really good tap, and then add 250 grams of water for a total brew time of 3.5 minutes. And I think it might have been this mentality that attracted me to science. My preconceived notion back in high school was that science had a right or wrong, and that means everything in science had to be full of order and routine too. But I quickly learned to embrace the duality of science, that every strict scientific method has to come with creativity and optimization. And just like that, my other preconceived notions of what science is fell apart too. I entered the BDC program at McMaster because I wanted to make life saving treatments more accessible for people who need them. And the program taught me that the biochemical knowledge needed for drug discovery has to come with the business acumen needed for drug commercialization. And starting work in my thesis lab taught me another crucial lesson, that our physical lab work has to come with digital support as well. The project I lead takes place entirely in the wet lab, but our lab works at the intersection of artificial intelligence and infectious disease. And while I conduct pooled genetic mutant screening and whole genome sequencing, other really smart people in my lab train machine learning models to predict next generation antibiotics. And taking part in the work they do firsthand has really shown me that just as you can't have methods without creativity, today you can't take full advantage of the physical without understanding the digital. This appreciation for interdisciplinary learning is something I've cultivated throughout my undergrad career. I'm aiming to carry it forward into the DHT stream of the MBiotech program, where interdisciplinary learning is the name of the game. And whether it's learning statistical analysis or management practices, I think this quality of mine makes me a very strong candidate for the DHT stream. I want to learn how to take advantage of the digital revolution to improve accessibility in the health sciences. And I'm ready to get started if you are.